Hey, this is Sam over here with the Frugal Hugel Gardener, and I'm over here at Reed's Farm in DeLand, Florida today, and he's going to go ahead and give me some clip-ins of his clump bamboo, and we're going to show you how he does it right now.
All right. This is a section that I just cut off, just the top. We actually learned this by accident. Get this out of the way so it's real easy to deal with. So you take this stuff.
Just go over to the light. Okay.
So a little propagation area we just built. So you take all this and you just kind of clip this all off out of the way.
Now this is called a node.
Mm-hmm. This is animal feed. Our rabbits love bamboo. So none of this goes to waste. It's also, you can compost, you can do, just about everything that grows can be composted. So we'll just keep cutting like this. What we were doing was we were using the stakes, like right here, we were doing these begonias that my wife likes to grow. She's using the stake to keep a plastic bag up off the plant while it was rooting. And what she did was she cut a piece of bamboo like this, and she stuck it in the soil. It didn't have quite as much of this on it, and the clone actually died. So we pulled the clone and the piece of bamboo out, and the bamboo had started rooting. So I said, look at that, we can root bamboo just like that. So
go ahead and plant it.
Here we've already got some soil prep. I mean, you just shove it in the ground like that. There's nothing else to do.
You go ahead and go slow.
Just take these nodes and just push them in the soil. I mean, this is one of the easiest things to grow that you can possibly clone, and it is so useful when you're growing food. You can use it to stake all kinds of things. You can make trellises. I mean, the possibilities are...
So that's it. Get yourself a branch over here, or come down to Reed's Farm, and he has them already planted. But if you have any at home, get a branch, cut it at the node.
Or you got a neighbor maybe that has some.
Yep, cut it at the node. But please, if you go ahead and you try to do this yourself, make sure it's a clumping bamboo. Otherwise, you'll have bamboo growing all over the place.
So that's all it is. I mean, we have our own little potting mix that we make here. This is a combination of some topsoil, some compost, peat moss, perlite, green sand, kelp meal, blood meal, a little bit of bone meal, just a little bit of everything. Sometimes we throw some ash in there. What was the other one? Rock phosphate, if I can get my hands on it. But we were just using the bone meal in place. I couldn't find.
Now, how long before you have those available for somebody to buy?
These right here, I would think maybe a month. They'll probably be ready. So once they're in the ground like that, I'll just come through, give them a little water, and this is like activation. And that's all I have to do. And this potting mix just soaks it up and it keeps it so well. So then I just take this whole tray and I'll stick it over here in the shade. This is my little baby plant area. And now we just wait until I see fresh growth. And once I see some new growth coming out of there, I'll probably cut those tops off, and then we're good to go.
So if you're looking for some clumping bamboo, go ahead and give Lonnie a call at Reed's Farm, and he'll arrange for you to come up and pick some up.
Cool.